I chased 1,000 dreams at once, built castles reaching for the sun. Every promise, every plan, too much weight for just one man. My body cried, my mind burned out, my heart got lost inside the doubt. I thought that faster meant I'd win, but every race began within. No mountains climb within a day, it's step by step that leads the way. Just 1%, that's all today. One better choice along the way. A single step, a steady light, turns little winds to greater heights. No need to rush, no need to race. Progress grows at its own pace. Every step will light the way. 1% better every day. Relationships fell far behind while chasing goals inside my mind. The people close could barely see the version I was trying to be. My habits fought, my fears held tight, yet most of the time change lost the fight, because my world couldn't adapt to every giant leap I'd mapped. Real transformation takes its time. Small repeated steps become the climb. Just 1%, that's all today. One better choice along the way. A single step, a steady light, turns little winds to greater heights. No need to rush, no need to race. Progress grows at its own pace. Every step will light the way. 1% better every day. Victory small, knowing small can conquer all. Every day another stone, until your dream becomes your home. My body heals, my spirit grows, love returns and wisdom flows. What once seemed far beyond my sight is built through every tiny stride. The waterfall roars and fades away. The steady drop returns each day. A single drop may seem too small, yet drop by drop it shapes it all. Short-lived bursts may fade, but habits stay. One small step, day after day. Not power, but persistence wins. 1%, and then begins. Just 1%, that's all today. One better choice along the way. Persistence writes the greatest story. 1% becomes your glory. Keep the rhythm, trust the flow, further than you'll ever know. Tiny steps become your flame. 1% again.